Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out Crown and Buckle's Supreme NATO. So this NATO is extremely thick and comfortable. They advertise it that it's supposed to feel like seatbelt NATO, and it does feel even actually a little better, a little thicker than a seatbelt. What I like about it a lot is it's very silky to the touch, very comfortable to wear. Put it on. It's pretty good. I highly recommend it. I have a cheaper NATO over here, and it just feels a lot rougher. Crown & Buckle's regular NATO strap feels a lot like this, and you can even see like the texture. You can see it's not woven as tightly or as densely as the premium NATO, and honestly for the $14, $15 more, you're really getting a much more comfortable strap. This is like sandpapery, and this is smooth. They both look good though. For my tutor, I left the strap alone, so it's double fold, just in case I'm ever swimming with it and I lose one of these lugs. They'll still be attached to the watch, versus with this cheaper strap, I wanted to try that well-known modification to cut off the bottom strap so it's only one, and it sits less proudly on the wrist, which is kind of cool. But yeah, Crown & Buckle premium strap, Supreme strap I mean, pretty good. Highly recommend. Gotta clean these watches. Which brand do I like the most? Hope you guys learned something from this video. You can ask any questions in the comments. Be happy to answer.